This is Ankit Patnaik from TechBytes, and today I am going to review the BlackBerry 9720. Here is the BlackBerry 9720. First of all, I am going to give you the external view. On the side, you get the volume rockers and mute button and camera shutter button. On the bottom, there is nothing except the opening grill for the speaker. On the another side, there is the USB port for syncing. And there is a dedicated button for BBM, which you can customize and choose for another application also. On the top there is a 3.5mm headphone jack and power key. And now let's see it from the front. There is a QWERTY straight keypad, and there is BlackBerry typical keys: calling button, option key, trackball, back key, and back to home screen key. And the BlackBerry logo is over here, and there is a LED light, and there are a couple of sensors over here, and there is a speaker, speaker, and microphone is in the bottom of the phone. Now let's see what another thing are available in this phone. This phone is actually best for those peoples who actually want the BlackBerry old OS, which was found in BlackBerry 9000 or 9900. And this phone is very simple, and this is best for those person who don't know to use touch, because this phone provide touch screen opportunity as well as keypad type. And actually this phone is good in my opinion, but the main problem with this phone is that you cannot download many applications, such that if you are an Android user, you are used to it to download many applications, but you cannot actually download it in this phone. And this one offers a variety of things, such as there are some applications, and one good feature that I like is multicast. Multicast means so that you have Facebook ID and you have a BlackBerry ID and Twitter ID. You can type it in one, and once you can post, and in one go it will post in your all the IDs which are registered over here. And this one actually hangs a lot. That is a big concern with this phone if you have downloaded lots of application in this phone. And the QWERTY keypad is actually very good in this phone. The trackball is also good. This phone priced around 11,000 at Flipkart, and this phone is best phone in my opinion for those people who are learning touchscreen and who don't know to use touchscreens, and they want to learn touchscreen phones. They can use this phone to learn touchscreen. I'm using this phone since last 6 months, and in my opinion this phone is excellent. And BlackBerry provide you many things in this phone, such as this message that in one click you can see all your messages in all your email IDs, and your Facebook account you can access from here. And the best phone, alternatively you can also select BlackBerry Q5. That is also a good phone. That's actually not bad. And this phone has a 5-megapixel rear camera and a LED flash, and the BlackBerry logo is embedded over here. And on the front there is no front facing camera, so that means you cannot do video calling with this phone. That is also a big problem with this phone. And one more thing is that you actually cannot reset this phone such that you can do it in Android by switch off it. If you will try to switch off it, you have to press this key, and this will not actually reset the phone. So you can see that it is turning off the device. Now it's turned off, right? Alright, and when you will again on it, it will simply on it without but you for resetting it, the one method is to take out the battery and put it back again. If you have downloaded any new application, BlackBerry always asks to restart your phone, and that is a big problem with this operating system, because in Android you can directly use it, but in BlackBerry it is not possible. And this phone has a 512 MB RAM, and the battery capacity is very good for normal users. Thanks for watching our video. This is Ankit Patnaik from TechBytes.